This your boy Heartless coming back with another video. I know it's been a little while since I made one, but this is a little bit different. And I think I'm addicted to something. I don't know if I should be. Okay, so about a month ago, I started out this mining venture. I looked online and I saw you can make money just by using stuff in your house you already have. So I ended up using my computer. I have a GTX 2080 sitting in my computer. And I saw on there it was like $2 and some change, $2.70. I was like, not really a lot of money, but why not make free money? Then I calculated that times 30 days. Then I calculated that times 12 months, which I know, don't get me wrong, 12 months, it may be different than what it is today with the price. It may go down, it may half, may whatever. But, you know, at the end of the day, you know, it gives you a drive to keep wanting to go and keep wanting to do more. So, start looking at my piggy bank and I was like, if I can do this times 5, times 10, times 20, times 50, how much more money could that net me? So that's when I got into a little dilemma and started spending quite a bit of money. Let me show you a little bit of my rigs and what I've done so far. All right, so in the first rig on top, you can see that I have, I'm thinking I'm gonna put that to be my test bench because I actually have something else that I actually bought that's supposed to be incoming in about a week and a half. I'll show you guys when it comes. But I have a 3090 on there, FE. That one gives me about 127 mega hash on ETH. I have a 3080, which gives me about 103 mega hash on ETH. On that one. Below that, I have 6 3070s, which they net about 61 to 62 mega hash each. And I have 5 3060s, which nets me about the same, about 61 to 62 mega hash each. And I have them all running through a PDU, which is 30 amp, but of course 24 amp is the max you want to go. And I have it set up to my dryer plug because honestly, I want everything to run nice. I wanted no fires, no nothing. I've had a house fire before. I never want that to happen again. So I want it to run safely. All that together, it runs about a little bit 8.9 to 9 amps at 238 to 240 volts, which is great. It's nowhere near how much I can actually use on that. So I'm happy about that. So, and then I still have my gaming computer running with its 2080 inside of it. I have to put it back together because in the beginning, I started off running my GPUs off of the motherboard, off of my gaming computer. That's why I had the side open. And what happened was I was running too many amps and I don't want to cause a fire. So I was like, you know what? Let me put a little bit more money into it. Let me build it right. And let me actually get it done right so that way I don't have any worries, and also I can control it with Hive OS, is what I use when I'm out and about, or if I want to turn it off. The only downside of how I have it set up now, which is probably why I'll end up having to call an electrician, is that I have to, you know, whenever it's time to dry, I have to turn it off. So at that point when we're drying, I have to not mine, which, you know, isn't ideal. So that's why I'm thinking about hiring an electrician and having them come in here if they can't run a few of the 240 volt outlets. So, you know, honestly speaking, it has become an addiction to the point where I'll be up in bed with my significant other, or we'll be out somewhere, and I'm constantly looking at GPUs, or looking at different mining motherboard, looking at server cases, looking at A2000s, A4000s, looking at all the different things that I can actually buy to, keep increasing the monthly income. Because you look at it now, okay, first it start off, let's say $500 a month. Now I have that many. That's around about $1,600 to $1,800 a month. And then you're like, okay, I can add 10 to 15 more. Now that's going to push me up to about $4,000 a month, $5,000. And I never think of it as, income that's going to replace my job, because it could, if it grows big enough, who knows? Because I also want to get into ASICs, but I think of it as it is something to supplement my income. And I listened to Brandon Coyne's video a little bit earlier today, and it really made me think, like, it really does change your life and change your way of thinking about things a lot. And it's fun. It's actually fun to see how much you can pull out. You can lower your wattage. You can actually get more mega hash out your farm. The first time you get to 1 gigahash, which I'm chasing, I'm at 900 and around 950 to 960 mega hash right now, almost 1 gigahash, which I'm excited about getting to. But it's it becomes sort of kind of a lifestyle, if you want to think about it. Kind of like, how people are like, oh, I want to go to the gym. I'm going to go to the gym. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. And it becomes a lifestyle instead of just like, oh, it's something I'm doing as a hobby. That's if you're into this type of thing. But if you've ever had an inkling of wanting to do it, or, start off small. We all start off small. Start off with my 2080 out of my gaming PC. And for me, it was worth it. And you can do the same. Right now, I'm still building, I'm still learning. Like my biggest thing now, and I'm looking for, put all of your thoughts down in the comments, like in regards to like heat. Heat is a big thing now. So that room gets pretty hot. So now I'm probably going to put something through the roof, because right there is the opening to the attic. And so like the heat can go out through there and go out through the sides of the house. So that way the heat in that room isn't so humid, or get a grow tent. I don't know. I'm just starting it off, so I'm looking for your guys' opinions, thoughts, anything that you can give me. So yeah, this is a glimpse into what I'm doing now. And if you want more updates, put it down in the comments. Thank you guys for listening, and peace out.